Welcome to my YouTube channel, Professor Lorena A. Castro at your service. Today, I'm going to teach you how to clean the nails and how to give a relaxing hand spa. Wait and see! Wait and see! Soap, liquid soap. Its flavor is rosemary mint, so it will give a menthol effect to the client. You have to let your client soak her hands for at least 5 minutes so that the nails and the dead skin will be softened after 5 minutes. Put a small pillow so that the client will feel comfortable while you are cleaning her nails. So, doing that, you have to first use the nail cutter to cut the nails and then followed by nail file, but you have to ask first the client what shape does she want her nails to be. What do you want your nails to be? Round shape, square, so just round. So in cutting the nails, you have to cut first the first nail to be cut is from the little finger up to the thumb. After cutting the nails, you will now shape the nails using the nail file based on the request of the client. To remove the dirt of the nail, you can use the nail brush and the pointed part of the nail pusher. Put some, and this is cuticle remover since you do not have. First step kasi i-remove mo na yung dating nail polish, old nail polish. But because you do not have an old nail polish, to completely soften your cuticle. Okay, then clean the cuticle using the cuticle remover and of course with the nail pusher. I'm showing you now the proper way of holding the nail nipper. Okay, you can now remove the ingrown, which is located at the side part of the nail bed, which is called the nail fold.
completely remove the ingrown, you can use the pusher to push it out of the nail foam. To completely finish the cleaning of the nail, you can make use of the nail buffer to smoothen the edges of the nails. You will now repeat the same procedure to the other hand. After cleaning the nails, you can proceed on the added service, which is the therapy mask. The therapy mask is containing a wax and a cooling effect on the hands. When the hand mask is already removed, have the hands rinsed thoroughly and dry it with a towel before proceeding on giving a hand massage.
No, kasi yan ay pampaputi. Maganda yan sa balat. That is good for the skin. Pero ito, grapeseed with lemon. So you have to make friend first with the hands when you massage. This is part of hand spa.
In giving a hand massage, there are two strokes involved, the upward motion and the downward motion. The upward strokes will give a good blood circulation effect, and the downward stroke will give a relaxation effect on the hands of the client. Tapping and shaking of the hands will complete the relaxation effect of the massage routine on the hand. Repeat the same procedure on the other hand. You can now apply the first coat of the nail polish based on the desired color of the client. You can now apply the second coat of the nail polish. To give an extra attractive effect, you can add nail art on the nails. To secure the nail art that has been added on the nails, you can now finish it with a top coat polish. Now that the nail cleaning, manicuring, and hand spa is already done, you can see in the face of the client the happiness and the excitement it brings after the relaxation and light feeling you have given her.